In Georgia, we continue to see a growth in the number of DUI blood test cases in response to Elliott versus State. The state obviously recognized that there were potential problems associated with trying to admit the results of breath tests following Elliott versus State. That was right, at least I think. And as a result of that, they began to integrate a much higher number of DUI blood test cases. They began to ask for blood tests much more frequently. We began to see a lot more of them, given that breath tests were of questionable admissibility. That's a very natural reaction, and it's one that we should have anticipated coming. Even after implied consent was changed, and breath tests are probably not as doubtful in terms of admissibility, the state has tended to not move back to breath tests so quickly. They have continued to ask for blood tests, even though breath tests probably are admissible under the new implied consent notice. So lawyers have begun to experience some sort of worries and problems with blood tests, and that's just because they're unfamiliar with them. Blood tests are daunting to a lot of people, and that's because they just don't understand what the process is and what the vulnerabilities to the process are. They're the same sort of questions, if not more questions, from a blood test than there are in a breath test case. There are more people involved. There's more possibilities of error that are associated with the blood test that you just need to be acclimated to. You need to be accustomed to dealing with those issues, and you can certainly call into question the results of a blood test in the same way that you could a breath test. If you have questions about your blood test, feel free to call me. My name is Ben Sessions. My phone number is 470-225-7710. Again, 470-225-7710. Thank you.